Hi there, my name is Jennifer Lang, and for my senior project, I had the honor of being able to work with Lindsay Hewitt, owner of Bada Bling Cupcakes. So she is a licensed home-based bakery out of Gilbert, Arizona, and has developed her business into honestly an incredible model and example for me to look up to. She has done so many wonderful things and had so many great opportunities. And so I have loved working with her. She's been a great mentor for me to look up to, wonderful entrepreneur with great ideas. So she's been a lot of fun to work with. So Lindsay started everything out of her house and she has done everything that way since. She runs all of her own social media, she does all of her marketing campaigns, she does everything on her own. So her website, especially, she built completely on her own based off of just what she could figure out using Wix, which she did an incredible job previously, but just did feel like she needed a revamp. Lindsay is known to have really fun out there ideas, and so she really wanted to use it on her website. But what she was realizing was that she felt like she could use some more professionalism on her website, and now she's starting to be noticed by higher um, I guess, more upscale clientele that could benefit from seeing a little bit more of her professionality and kind of, um, a little bit more of a polished look at what she does and how much she's capable of. So I was able to kind of redesign her website. This is what it looks like now after her redesign. So one of the main two things that she wanted highlighted were her awards, which are the Best of Our Valley 2020 winner, as well as the 2021 winner, which is a huge award. And she's actually in the running for it right now. She is in her last week of voting, and so she has won that award twice now and done an incredible job. So that's a really big recognition for her. Came down here, and this one of my parts of my senior project was that I was able to do an entire content shoot for her, which was incredible. I was able to take some of her product and take photos, do a lot of editing, kind of get some creative shots in, and I'm working on making a promotional video for her that I'm gonna have done for her hopefully in the next week here, which is gonna be awesome. She can use it on social media. We'll upload it to her website. It's gonna be great. And then this last little part right here, each of these tabs up here do work. Her About Us also has some more contact information. Her gallery shares pictures and pictures of all of her work. Her order form just gives them basic pricing detail. And then her media slideshow actually shows a couple of different places that she's been featured, including Cupcake Wars. So that's awesome. This is her last kind of big thing that she wanted me to work on, in addition to revamping the website, doing content shooting for her, and kind of helping her organize a little bit more, was that she was giving people her phone number, her email, her Instagram handles, anything that she gave them her address. She was just out there and wanted she wanted to be as accessible as possible, which is wonderful, but it created a lot of hassle for her in terms of people were reaching out to her on so many different platforms that she couldn't gain a grasp of who was reaching out to her when and where. So what I decided to do was create a Google form for her that would be essentially a client interest form. That way she can have all of her inquiries coming through the same way, and it'll actually, the way I've set it up, you can either scan this QR code right here, or you can hit this click me button, and it will take you straight to a Bada Bling Cupcakes interest form. So on here, you can select these questions, and after that, she will have each one of the people that are interested in ordering from her actually tell her right then and there, this is what I'm looking for, this is what I might be interested in. So, last but not least, I wanted to show you one great picture of Lindsay. This is her. She's super fun, spunky, and been a great client for me, and I'm really grateful that she has given me the opportunity to work with her. And yeah, that's my senior project. I've loved every second. Thanks for tuning in.